Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot CMS templates for website UI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download HubSpot CMS templates for your website UI, start by visiting the HubSpot website. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace in the main menu. In the Marketplace, click on the Templates section. Here, you will find a variety of available templates. Use the search bar to find specific templates, or browse through the categories. Once you locate a template you like, click on it to view more details. Review the template information, including features and pricing. If it meets your needs, click on the Get Template or similar button. You may be prompted to choose a payment option if it is a premium template. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. After purchasing, return to your HubSpot account dashboard. Navigate to the Design Tools section. In Design Tools, find your templates or a similar area. Locate the template you just downloaded in your library. Click on it to open and customize it for your website. Make any necessary adjustments to suit your branding. Once you're satisfied with your changes, save the template. Finally, publish the template to your website to go live. Your HubSpot CMS template is now ready for use on your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.